Hi friends, I am Professor Rajiv Sehgal from Lakeshore Greens, Palava City, Mumbai. I am into pranic healing field for more than 4 years now and have been healing patients across the globe for various ailments. After getting into pranic healing, I got so much benefited and I was always thinking of having an opportunity where I can share my experience and educate people so that they also come into pranic healing field and get benefited. So my spiritual goal is to reach out to as many persons as possible and tell them to get into pranic healing and get benefited. Now, what is pranic healing? Because in my 4 years of practice, I keep getting a lot of questions from various people to understand what is pranic healing. So I thought let me have a recording of those questions with answers so that the total clarity comes to anybody who is interested in knowing about pranic healing. Pranic healing was founded by Master Choa Kok Sui almost 40 years back after research of 20 years. Today pranic healing is available in more than 120 countries. Pranic healing has got two words, prana and healing. Prana means the energy body, and healing means of course healing. So why it is known as pranic healing and how it has become popular? It's the energy healing, or you can call it as a spiritual healing, which can be used from distance. Now, all of us have got physical body and energy body. Now both are interconnected, and once we heal the energy body, the physical body also gets healed. And in our body, we have our aura, we have energies, we have chakras. Now these chakras basically are the energy fields within the body which controls various organs of the body. Now each organ is controlled by combination of chakras. In pranic healing, we just check the energy field in those through the scanning process. We check the energy available in those chakras, and wherever there is a weak energy, we clean the chakras and re-energize with a positive energy. And doing that through a process which is mentioned in the pranic healing books, we are able to heal all these diseases. If this process is followed as per the book, the patient gets healed within few days, few weeks, and in some chronic diseases it may take a couple of months. For example, cancer may take 9 months, but cold and cough may take just 2 days. So it depends upon the age of the person, the chronicity or the acuteness of the disease, and the energy of the pranic healer. Any experienced pranic healer, energy is so high that he or she is able to heal any disease much faster. Now, how does it work really? Now, basically, as I told you that there are two bodies, one is physical body and the one is energy body. So through the thought process, because we all are interconnected through the earth, so through the thought process, we are able to pass that positive energy to the patient, and using the process in the books, we are able to treat any kind of disease. For example, my wife herself was suffering at one stage with metastatic cancer, and she wanted to avoid chemotherapy. Now, I was suggested pranic healing for her. So instead of going to a pranic healer, I got myself registered and learned how to heal through pranic healing. So after going through the entire course and got certified, I started using the entire protocol of cancer healing as given in the book. I was doing this protocol twice a day for her, and to doctor's surprise, within 4.5 months, when the PET scan was done, there was no element of cancer in the body. This incidence really motivated me to get into this field as a professional and try to help as many persons suffering with various diseases as possible. In last more than 4 years, I have been receiving so many compliments and blessings from the patients who got benefited through pranic healing. I could successfully motivate several people also to learn pranic healing, and they became pranic healer and now leading a very peaceful and happy life. Now, pranic healing works for physical ailments as well as psychological ailments. There are many people these days are suffering with stress, depression, emotional setbacks, relationship issues, addictions, hallucinations, and various psychological problems, and they are going for medical treatment. Though medical treatment is also very reliable, but those medicines have got their own side effects. Whereas in pranic healing, a person gets healed for any psychological issue without any side effect, and that too from a distance healing, so that no routine is suffered for the patient. They can continue doing what they are doing, and the healer can keep on healing from distance. And I have healed even bipolar depression patients, various patients for addictions, depression, even students, even sexual problems, relationship issues. Now, how does relationship issue get healed? Basically, all relationships are based on emotional connect with partners, be it husband and wife, be it mother-in-law or daughter-in-law, be it boss and the junior, any relationship of any kind, even neighbors, friends, enemies, whatever. Now, all this emotionally connected, and emotion is an energy. Thought also is an energy. So, all these negative energies influence those chakras, and that's how the problems start cropping up. As a pranic healer, we analyze those chakras and remove those negative emotions and negative thoughts from those chakras, and that's how the relationship starts improving. We heal both the partners from distance, and the understanding improves, love between them improves, and the relationship finally improves. And we are able to save several marriages through this healing process. Now, is there any side effect of pranic healing? No. Can it be used with medical science? Definitely yes, because medicines work on physical body, whereas pranic healing works on energy body. So it basically complements. You'll be surprised to note that globally there are many hospitals who have got a pranic healing as department, or they have consultant pranic healers on their panel. They continuously use pranic healing for the patients. There are hundreds and thousands of doctors who have learned pranic healing now, especially dentists, surgeons, nurses, medical practitioners of all kinds, who are using this pranic healing along with their practice so that the patient gets healed faster. For example, an orthopedician who is having to heal broken bone. Now, with pranic healing, the same bone which takes around 45 days to heal can be healed within 15 to 18 days. And there's a lot of savings for the patient for their earning, because they can go to office much faster and more earlier than otherwise. So there are many doctors in this field. There is no side effect of pranic healing, and it works in everything. As I told you that it improves relationship, it improves office relationship, it improves relationship between partners, and even for suppose somebody is going for interview and he wants to go with a positive energy with a lot of confidence, the pranic healer can infuse that confidence through the healing, and the person can get benefited with pranic healing. Now, who can become pranic healer? In fact, anybody can become pranic healer. There is no basic qualification required. Anybody who can read and write, maybe a 10th class pass student, can register themselves to any good center and learn pranic healing and become a pranic healer. How to find a center? Yes, you can just do the Google and find pranic healing center near me. You'll get the address. Talk to them, register yourself, and start learning pranic healing. My wish, or any pranic healer's wish, is that there should be a pranic healer, at least one pranic healer in every family. That's how the life will become so peaceful and blissful for everybody. What is the course duration? Most of the courses of pranic healing are only for 2 days, and there are various levels. Maybe around 6 to 8 levels are there of learning. So each level takes around 2 days of learning. How much the cost? Cost varies between 6,000 to 8,000 rupees per course, and a person gets certified. Of course, it will depend upon the individual's energy levels and the commitment level to get healing energy. anybody who does meditation every day and gets his universal energy in the body is able to be a very successful healer. Can it become a profession for earning living? Yes, of course. You can charge energy exchange from the patients to heal themselves, and that energy exchange becomes your earning. Part of that also goes for various charitable or given to the needy persons, so that you get the blessings and get energized yourself. But yes, it can be used as a profession. What is energy exchange? Energy exchange is just like a fees of a doctor. When you go to hospital, you pay thousands and hundreds of rupees in the hospital. You go to the doctor, you pay the fees. Similarly, the healer who has invested a lot of money in getting certified and also uses his time, effort, and energy in healing the patient deserves to be paid in exchange of getting healed. This is known as energy healing. But energy healing proves to be much economical alternative to any other medical science, because it is not taking any of your time, or you need not sit or get admitted in the hospital. The distance healing works in pranic healing much better. Any further question on pranic healing, you are most welcome to contact me at 9322267248 or WhatsApp me your query. I would love to answer that. Thank you very much.